All right, guys, I got like 500 new followers in the last 3 days, which makes me super happy because a couple of months ago I was just a normal guy working a normal 9 to 5 desk job, and then I went all in on my ex presence, and it changed my life in the span of like 10 months. And we are building this. I went all in on this. I quit my job. Now I'm living off my savings to build this because I want to see this existing in the world. And I just want to show you how easy it is to create really next level content in Postel by referencing YouTube videos, stuff you have put in your knowledge base, any Instagram reel you find, or any blog article, any website that you want to transform into content. So I'm going to show you this by just taking one of my recent podcasts I did on the Starter Story Build YouTube channel, and I'm going to copy paste the link here, going to edit just as reference. Boom. It's going to take the content of that YouTube video and turn it into content from like into the perfect tweet for me. And all I have to do now is just hit enter and it's good to go. And now we can see I'm getting like one tweet draft after the another. It's giving me 6 overall, so I can choose which one I want to take. And boom. This is like perfect. This is exactly what I had in mind for this. And now you can see it's taking all the content of that. Now I can go to the editor. I could add an image, a screenshot, super simple, drag and drop, and then I can schedule it or publish it immediately. And then I have an overlook, like an overview here over all the things I'm working on content-wise. I can see my published posts, the stuff I schedule, and this is like just 10% of what Postel can do for you. You can do so much more with this if you check it out once. And we have just added the viral outliers, but to be honest, that's way too powerful to show you. You can check it out if you sign up. It's totally free. Have a look. I won't show this right now. It's still early, but already very powerful. Something else I want to show you is you can basically build up your knowledge base, take any type of content that you want to turn into post on X or Twitter, however you want to call it, and then reference that content, select a different voice, for example, Greg Eisenberg, right? And then let's turn my newsletter into something new. And then you could say like, create a post with the key insights from my newsletter and started with a 5-word hook. And now you're going to see how would Greg Eisenberg formulate, write down your idea. What type of hook would he use? What type of tweet structure? And that's the way you can learn from like these top level creators, and you can add as many creators as you want here. Just copy paste their handle in the search bar and you're good to go. And you can even write threads with this, which is crazy. Now, if I want to turn my podcast into a thread, just have to select threads here, hit enter. I'm going to get 6 thread starts. I can select the one I like the most, and it's going to generate like the complete draft based on my writing style. And now I'm good to go. I don't need to start from a blank page. And a couple of users told me the following: I just need a tool to brain dump and get like perfect formatted tweets in my voice. And once I found Postel, I knew I had exactly this tool. And another one yesterday told me, like I had a user call yesterday. He told me he canceled ChatGPT to switch to Postel. And a couple of weeks ago, another user told me this was like his second fastest subscription ever after Cursor, which is crazy.